Presenting the Pacific Blue Ultra Mechanical Towel Dispenser from GP Pro. Inside the box, you'll find the dispenser, access key, and manual. Installation of the dispenser is easy and only takes a few minutes. The dispenser can be installed by direct mount or by bracket mount. To mount the dispenser directly to a wall, open the cover using the provided access key. Position it so the top is level. The recommended distance from the bottom of the dispenser to the floor is 42 to 44 inches. Mark screw locations where indicated. Secure the unit to the wall with 4 screws and appropriate anchors. To mount the dispenser using brackets that are available separately, first assemble the brackets by connecting the sides. Ensure the arrows are pointing up and the top is level before marking screw locations. The recommended distance from the bottom of the bracket to the floor is 48 to 50 inches. Peel the paper from the adhesive and adhere the assembled mounting bracket to the wall with firm pressure. Use 4 anchored screws to secure the bracket. Fit the dispenser onto the bracket and lock it into place by gently pulling down. To load a new towel roll into the dispenser, first open the cover using the provided access key. Insert the towel roll into the upper roll holders and the paper feeds from under the bottom of the roll. Position the end of the towel into the slot in the blue loading bar. Close the cover. For water-resistant models, release the blue flap. Rotate the manual feed wheel until paper comes out the bottom. The dispenser is now ready for operation. Maintenance of the dispenser is easy. For towel loading, partial towel rolls can be relocated from the upper roll holder to the lower roll holder while keeping the towel engaged with the feed rollers. The partial roll must be equal in size or smaller than the diameter of the top roll holder, 3 inches, to relocate it to the lower roll holders. Load a new towel roll into the upper roll holders and the paper feeds from under the bottom of the roll. Position the end of the towel into the slot in the blue loading bar. The new roll will auto-transfer as the partial roll is depleted. Close the cover. The dispenser is now ready for operation. The Pacific Blue Ultra Mechanical Towel Dispenser from GP Pro. That's affordable efficiency at work.